Students, welcome to Mr. Gill's Academy of Math. Today we will learn how to multiply fraction. Fraction as well as mixed fraction or mixed numeral. As compared to addition and subtraction, multiplication of fraction is easy. So what we do in multiplication of fraction is we multiply top by top, means we multiply numerator with numerator. Bottom by bottom means denominator by denominator. One important thing, that's why I put note here. When students do multiplication or division, they think they have to make the denominator same. No, you don't have to make the denominator same. Only when you add or subtract fraction, then you have to make denominator same. Otherwise, in multiplication and division, you don't have to do it. So what do? We multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. Let's see one example, 7 over 9 and 8 over 11. So we multiply top by top. So here 7 is a numerator, here 8 is a numerator. So we multiply numerator by numerator, top number by top number, 7 times 8, and bottom by bottom, 9 times 11. So 7 times 8 is 56, 9 times 11 is 99. So this is our answer, but if possible, reduce it, right? Here we cannot reduce it, right? They are not in the same table, so we cannot reduce it. Let's do some practice question. 5 over 12 times 8 over 7. So what we will do, we multiply top by top, 5 times 8 and 12 times 7. Top by top, bottom by bottom. 5 times 8 is 40. 12 times 7 is 84. Now reduce if possible, right? Here it's possible, both are in the table of 2. Yes, we can reduce it. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 84 divided by 2 is 42. Still you can divide by 2. Both can be divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 42 divided by 2 is 21. We cannot further reduce it. So final answer is 10 over 21. So again, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom, then reduce if possible. Let's do one more question. 9 times 6. So here do 9 times 6 and 13 times 9. So top by top. So 9 times 6 and 13 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 13 times 9 is 170. Then think if you can reduce or not. Both are in the table of 3. You can further reduce it. So both can be divided by 9. 3 also, 9 also. So 9 times 6 is 54. And 9 times 13 is 117. There's one more thing you can do it here. For example, here 9 over 13 multiply 6 over 9. You can reduce this way also. This is 9, this is 9. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9. So simply it could be 6 over 13 also. So in multiplication you can reduce in cross also. So, for example, this is the numerator of the first fraction, this is the denominator of the fraction. So, you can still reduce it. So, 6 over 13 is the answer. So, let's see how to multiply mixed numeral with mixed numeral. We already learned how to multiply fraction with fraction. So, here, let's see one example. 2 5 over 6 times 3 2 over 3, both are mixed numeral. So first step to multiply mixed numeral is we have to convert mixed numeral into improper fraction. So what we will do here, we'll convert 2 5 over 6 into mixed numeral into improper, 3 2 over 3 into improper. So how we convert 2 5 over 6 into improper? So what we will do, 6 times 2 is 12. Whatever we get, then add the top number. So 6 times 2, 12 plus 5, 17 over 6. Similarly, 3 2 over 3 we will convert into improper. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 11 over 3. Now, we converted both mixed numeral into improper fraction. Now we will multiply improper with improper. So 17 over 6 multiplied by 11 over 3. Again, we already learned how to multiply fraction. So we multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. 17 times 11 and 6 times 3. 17 times 11 is 187. 6 times 3 is 18. So 187 over 18. Now next step is see if you can reduce it. In this case, we cannot reduce it. So this is our final answer. But I usually tell my students that if the question is in mixed numeral, write the answer in mixed numeral if possible. If it is improper, you can convert into mixed numeral. So 187 over 18, we will convert into mixed. So how we convert mixed? How will we convert improper into mixed? Divide top by bottom. Divide numerator by denominator. So let's see, 187 divided by 18. So 18 times 1 is 18. Subtract, you get 0. Bring that 7 down here. 18 times 0 is 0. So 7 is the remainder. 10 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. So how we convert improper fraction into mixed? Write the denominator as it is. Don't change denominator whether you are converting mixed into improper or improper into mixed. So write 18 as it is. Write quotient here and write remainder here. So 187 over 18 can be written as 10 7 over 18. So this is our final answer. So this way we multiply mixed numeral with mixed numeral, and we already learned how to multiply fraction with fraction. Thanks very much watching my videos.